Hello, you are welcome to solve this maths problem, which is suppose 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 over a squared plus 1 over a cubed plus up to certain terms, which is equal to 2018, and also 1 plus 1 over b plus 1 over b squared plus 1 over b cubed, which is equal to 2019. Find the value of b over a. So let's go to solution. So as you have seen from the problem, it seems like a sequence, but first we have to determine whether it's a geometric sequence or arithmetic sequence. So to do that, let's find the common ratio for geometric sequences and let x1, the first term, which is 1, and x2, which is equal to 1 over a, and then x3, which is equal to 1 over a square. So to find the first we have to find the common ratio. So to find the common ratio, simply divide the each terms by its preceding term. So let's say x3 divided by x2, which is equal to x2 over x1. So we can use either of x3 over x2 or x2 over x1. So let's take this one, x2 over x1. So x2 is 1 over a divided by x1, which is 1. So we have 1 over a, which is the common ratio. And for the second case, 1 plus 1 over b, we can take x1, which is equal to 1, and x2, which is equal to 1 over b, and x3, which is equal to 1 over b cubed. So in a similar manner, we can take x2 divided by x1, which is equal to 1 over b divided by 1, which is equal to 1 over b, which is equal to r. So now we know the value of common ratio r. So it is a geometric sequence. So it is a geometric sequence. So we know that it is a geometric sequence. So for case 1, which is 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 over a squared plus, which is equal to 2018. And so from here, x1, the first term is 1, and the common ratio r is equal to 1 over a. So by using the sum of geometric sequences, 2018, which is the sum of n term, that is the sum of n term, is equal to x into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by y minus r, where r is less than 1. So we know that x1, the first term, is 1, and r is equal to 1 over a, which means when a increases, this term is always less than 1. So we can use this formula, and also r, which is equal to 1 over a. From this, r to the power of n, which is equal to 1 over a the power of n. So this will be 1 over 1 the power of n divided by a the power of n. So as a increases, this approaches to 0. So let's substitute each values into the equation. So sum of n terms is given as 2018, which is equal to the first term x is 1 into 1 minus r to the power of n is 0 divided by 1 minus r is 1 over a. So from here, 2018 into 1 minus 1 over a, which is equal to 1. So from here we can rearrange this equation. 1 minus 1 over a is equal to 1 over 2018. So finally 1 over a will be 1 minus 1 over 2018. So if we sum up this one, 2017 divided by 2018 is a value of 1 over a. So now for case B, or for case 2, that's 1 plus 1 over b plus 1 over b squared plus, which is equal to 9. So in the same manner, we have x1 or y1, which is equal to 1, and the common ratio is the same as 1 over b. So we can use the sum of geometric sequences as well. So the sum of n term is 2019, which is equal to the first term is 1 into 1 minus. So r the power of n will be 1 over b the power of n. So it will be approximately 0 divided by 1 minus 1 over b. So when we simplify this by using cross multiplication, 2019 into 1 minus 1 over b, which is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 over b is equal to 1 over 2019. So from here 1 over b will be 1 minus 1 over 2019, which is equal to 2019 minus 1 over 2019. So finally we have the value of 1 over b, which is equal to 2018 over 2019. So now we are asked to find the value of b over a. So b over a, which is equal to 1 over a divided by 1 over b, which is equal to b over a. So 1 over a is 2017 divided by 2018 over 1 over b is equal to 2018 divided by 2019. So this will be 2017 over 2018 times 2019 divided by 2018. So let's simplify. That's b over a is equal to 2017 over 2018 times 2019 divided by 2018. So for simplification, we can rewrite 2017 as 2018 minus 1. So for simplification, b over a, which is equal to this 2017 can be written as 2018 minus 1 times this will be 2018 plus 1 divided by 2018 the whole square. So now this term is in the form of a plus b times a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So by using this expression, we can rewrite the numerator as b over a, which is equal to 2018 the whole square minus 1 square divided by 2018 square. So finally b over a is equal to, let's separate the terms, 2018 square divided by 2018 square, which is minus 1 over 2018 square. So finally we have the value of b over a is equal to, this will be 1 minus 1 over 2018 the whole square. This is the final answer for the given geometric sequence. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Don't forget the steps. Bye bye.